ladies and gentlemen, we're here with Mr. Swanigan at Graves County Middle School. We're here to talk to you a little bit today about finding the area and circumference of a circle. And if you didn't know what a circle was, you should be smacked upside the head. You should know what a circle is. A circle is a round object, two-dimensional. It looks like this. It doesn't have any corners. It doesn't have any vertices. It's curvy, right? It's a circle. It's curvy, right? And it has a little point in the middle. We call that the center. That's the center right there. You should know those things. That's just, everybody knows that. There are some other things about a circle that you need to know also. We've got it right here. This is a picture of it. This is called the radius. Looks like I smudged it a little bit with my hand, a little smudgy. It's a little bit smudgy. But it goes from the center to the edge. That's called the radius. You need to know that. The other thing that you need to know about circles is the diameter. The diameter is the distance from one side to the other. The width of the circle. Diameter goes from one side to the other, dissecting it in two halves. You know that. Okay, another thing that you need to know is circumference. We talked about that a little bit. We're going to need to know about circumference. Circumference is the distance around the circle. So like if you're going to walk around the circle, you need to know that, circumference of a circle. And then the last thing that we're going to talk about today is area. Area of a circle is the space that is inside, the area that takes up the inside of the circle. The area, the formula for that is pi times radius squared. What's pi? What are you talking about, pi? What's this symbol you're talking about? It's pi. It's 3.14. That's all you need to know. 3.14. All right, let's go over here to the board. We'll show you how to work a circumference problem. Let's say that somebody says the radius of a circle is 10 what? Let's call Mr. Swanigan 10 what? Let's call it inches. 10 inches, and we're going to find the area of that circle that's 10 inches. And to find the area of a circle, you're going to take the formula, which is pi multiplied by radius squared. Now, since your radius is 10, you're going to put 10 in the place of r, which represents radius. You're going to square it. You're going to multiply it by that weird number we talked about, pi. Pi equivalent to 3.14. So, to calculate the area of the circle, we take 10, we square it. Well, that's not 10 times 2. If you do that, you should be taken out back and spanked like a red-headed stepchild. Now, if you take 10 and you square it, you multiply 10 times 10, and you get 100. You multiply that by 3.14. Well, that's easy. That's 314 inches squared. That's all I got for today. That's my 90 seconds. Good luck in your math class. Boy.